Today isometric projection. This is another object, another 3D object we have to draw. Okay, this is front view of this object and this is top view of this object. Draw isometric projection from below orthographic projection. This is orthographic projection. Okay, this is first angle projection of orthographic object. Okay, this is front view. Total height of this object is 50 mm. Why? Because this is a front view. In front view we are able to see height and length. This is length. Total length is 90 mm. Total height is 50 mm. Okay, this is dotted shape. Okay, this is dotted marks is nothing but invisible halo shape. Halo shape or invisible. Okay, this is halo shape. In isometric projection, orthographic projection, dotted lines indicated as halo shape. Okay, invisible halo shape. Invisible halo shape. Okay, in front of you we are able to see this is halo shape of this object. Okay, halo shape of this object, and here we have dotted lines. Okay, this is, that means this is halo shape. Okay, here we have this mark, this square mark. Okay, the top view projection is here, it's 20 mm side. The next, okay, this is first box. Okay, this is 3D box. In front of you we have projection like this. Okay, the projection of this first box is here. Okay, the next, the projection of this second square box is here. Okay, we have to match this front view and top view, then we will get a 3D object. Okay, then we will get a 3D object. Okay, first of all, the width of this 3D object is here. Okay, why? Because this is a top view. In top view we are able to see length and width. Length is 90 mm, width is 50 mm. Okay, first we have to draw this 50 mm line. The next height is, this base height is 20 mm. Okay, why? Because here we have total 50 mm and here to here top box 30 mm. Either remaining is 20 mm. Okay, either remaining is 20 mm. Just we have to draw this base plate. Okay, we have to draw base plate with certain width. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here we have two coordinates. This is x or y, this is x coordinate, and this is or y something, or z goes like this perpendicular to this line. Why? Because the 3D object has LBH, length, breadth, height. Okay, the object width is 50 mm. Okay, the object width is 50 mm with this drafter measure 50 mm distance, draw 50 mm line, and height is 20 mm. Okay, the height of this base plate is 20 mm. Okay, perpendicular to this line, perpendicular to baseline, draw 20 mm height. Okay, draw 20 mm height. The next width is 50 mm, parallel to this width line, parallel to this width line, measure 50 mm, measure 50 mm. The next, joint these two edges. Okay, we will get this part. Okay, this height and this part. Okay, the next, the length of this object is 90 mm. Okay, the length of this object is 90 mm with this measurement. Okay, with 90 mm this measurements, parallel to length line on this, draw 90 mm line. Okay, draw 90 mm line. The next one, height is 20 mm. Okay, height is 20 mm, the height is 20 mm, base plate height is 20 mm. Okay, with 20 mm height. Okay, the next, join these two top edges. Okay, join these two top edges. Okay, okay, then we have to draw this square box. Okay, this 3D square box. Okay, first we are able to draw this 3D box. Okay, we are able to draw this 3D box. This is on the corner. Okay, this is in the right side top corner. Okay, left side top corner we have to draw this. Okay, height is, this square box height is 20 mm. The next square box width is 15 mm. Okay, height is 20 mm, width is 15 mm, and here width is 20 mm. Okay, 20 15. Okay, 20 height, 20 width, 20 length, okay, 20 height, width is 15, height is 20, the next length is 20, okay. Then we have to draw width, okay. Width is 15, okay. Mark parallel to width line, mark 15 mm width, okay. 15 mm width and 20 mm height, okay, 20 mm height, and the next 20 mm width, 20 mm length, sorry, 20 mm length, the next the height is also 20 mm width and 20 mm height, 15 mm width, okay. Join this corners, okay. Here we have width 15 mm, here we have 15 mm width, the next here we have 15 mm width. Why? Because it's a 3D square box, okay. Let's join these lines, okay. Let's join these lines. The next parallel to length line, okay, parallel to length line, 20 mm length, okay. The square box length is 20 mm, okay. Let's join these corners. The next joint this in corners, okay. Here we will get this 3D box, okay. The next we have to draw this square box, okay. We have to draw this square box, okay. The small square box on this side, 20 mm length and 15 mm height, okay. 20 mm length and 15 mm, 20 mm length, 15 mm width, and the next this is 20 mm height. Height and length is 20 mm, the width is 15 mm, okay. Why? Because it's a top view, you're able to get this width, okay. 15 mm width, this end corner, on this end corner, okay, on this end corner, parallel to width line, make 15 mm width, okay. This is 15 mm width, and the next 20 mm length, okay, 20 mm length, mark this 20 mm length. The next height is 20 mm, okay. The height is 20 mm, parallel to this line, the height of this object is 20 mm, and the next width is 15 mm, width is 15 mm, and the next parallel to height line, height is 20 mm, and next let's join this width, okay. The next here we have width is 20 mm, length is 20 mm, okay. This is draw 20 mm length, okay. Joint these two edges. The next 15 mm width, okay, measure 15 mm width. Here we have 15 mm, draw 15 mm, and the length is 20 mm, okay. The length is 20 mm, okay. This is a square box, okay. The square box, okay. For understanding purpose, I draw this line, okay. In 3D box, this end edge is invisible, okay. This is invisible, this is invisible line, okay. Okay, just remember that, okay. The next one, we are able to draw this square box, okay. This large square box on this side, okay. The width of this square box is 20 mm, the length is 25 mm, and height is 30 mm, okay. The height is 30 mm. From here we have total 50 mm, okay. And the next here we have, this is 20 mm, the width is 20 mm, then the box starts, this distance is 30 mm, okay. This is 30 mm, okay. Measure the distance from this way, measure the distance. Let's drop to parallel to width line. Okay, parallel to width line, this is 50. The next, the object starts here. Okay, the object starts here. Okay, the next one, parallel to width line. Okay, this is the box starts here. Okay, this line is invisible. Why? Because the square box is the front square box here. Okay, the back square box is invisible from here. Okay, only this box back side is invisible. Okay, draw the line up when it touches here. Okay, draw the line when it touches here. Okay, the next, the height of this, the height of the box is 30 mm. Okay, from this point draw 30 mm parallel to height. Okay, draw 30 mm parallel to height. Okay, okay, 30 mm parallel to height. The next, the width is the width is 20 mm. Okay, the width is 20 mm. And the next, the length of this object is 20 mm. Okay, measure the distance to parallel to length line. Okay, okay, the length of this object is 25. Okay, this is 25. The next, height is 20, sorry, height is 30 parallel to height line. Okay, the height is 30. The next one, width is 20. Okay, parallel to width line. Okay, width is 20, and here we have 20. The next, the ending height is 30 parallel to height line. The height of this box is 30. The next one, join these corners. Okay, joint these corners. Okay, this is another square box. Okay, this is another square box. Okay, and the next one, we have to draw this hollow section. Okay, we have to draw this hollow section. Hollow section is exactly center of this object. Okay, exactly center of this object with 20 mm height and 20 mm length. Okay, 20 mm width, sorry, 20 mm width, 20 mm length. And the next, this height is also 20 mm. Okay, this height of this hollow also 20 mm. Okay, let's draw this. Okay, let's draw this object. Okay, the center of this square box is at the center of this object. Okay, the center of this hole is, this hollow shape is center of this 3D object. Okay, center of this 3D object. Here we have 45 mm, length is, total length is 90 mm. Here we have 45 mm. This is 45 mm. The next, the width of this object is 50 mm. Okay, the width of this object is 50 mm. Okay, the center of this object lies here. Okay, the center of this object lies here. Okay, the next one, we have 20 mm, total 20 mm distance. Okay, 20 mm length and 20 mm height and 20 mm width. Okay, total 20 20 20. Okay, then we are able to draw this hollow square box. Okay, we are able to draw this hollow square box. Okay, the next one, parallel to length line. Parallel to length line. Okay, measure 10 mm from center to either 10 mm from center. Okay, the next one, from here parallel to width line. Parallel to width line, 10 mm from center to 10 mm. Okay, from here 10 mm center to here 10 mm. Okay, the next join this line. Okay, join this line. The next join this dots. Okay, 20 mm. The next one join this two edges. The next one joint this two edges. Okay, the next one we have 20 mm height. Okay, let's draw the 20 mm height of this box. Okay, 20 mm height. Okay, the next one measure parallel to height. The next one parallel to height, draw the line. Okay, draw the line. Okay, this is the process to draw. Okay, this is your 3D object. This is your 3D object from this front view and this top view. Okay, observe carefully. In drawing only these lines. Okay, these two lines are invisible lines. Okay, why? Because we have to draw this. When you draw the square boxes, the external lines are just your understanding purpose. With your pencil you're able to erase it easily. Okay, this is the process. This is hollow shape. Okay, this is hollow shape. This is the height. Okay, the height is 20 mm. Why? Because the height edge meets here. Okay, this is height edge from this corner. Okay, only this corner. When you see this 3D object, you will get a clarity. Okay, the next one, this is 20 mm, 20 mm, 20 mm, 20 mm square box. Here we have 15 mm width for this box and 20 mm length and 20 mm height. And the next total width of this object is 50 mm, total length is 90 mm. The next, this object height is 20 mm. The next, this box height is 30 mm and width is 25 mm. Here we have width is 15 mm and length is 20 mm. Okay, exactly the box is at the center. Okay, that means the center is at 45 mm. Okay, the center is 45 mm length and 25 mm from width. Okay, this is a 3D box. This are isometric projection of this front view and top view. Okay, this is the process to draw a 3D object from this front orthographic views. Okay, from this orthographic views. Thank you.